Hi friends, welcome to LeetCoders. After a long break, I'm doing one video in LeetCode. Today I'm gonna solve unique Morse code words. It's 22nd days challenge in November challenge. Okay, let's see. So basically, you will get one array of words, and you need to convert it to Morse code, and you need to find the unique Morse codes. How many unique words you will get from this list of words. Okay, let's start. To do this, we need an array of string of size 26. There will be 26 letters in English. Okay, let's start. Let's copy this. Okay. Now we have copied all the 26 encryption. Each word have its encryption here. A will be encrypted to this string. B will be encrypted to this string, like that. Now we need okay. Now we need a set of string. We can name it as okay. Now we can loop through the words. Can use for each. Now we can declare one temporary variable named t. It will be type variable type will be string. Okay, now we can look through each letters of the word W. Here we will be using one trick to transform the word to Morse code. Array of W of I minus 97. Okay, W of I. Suppose the letter is ABC. Just think ABC. Okay. So A will be 0th position here. B will be 1th position in the array string. C will be here. So 0, 1, 2, like that it will go. So W of I will be here G. G is ASCII value minus 97. Here all words will be small letters only. Hope it will be only contains small letter. I'm not sure. Let's check this. Okay, now we can insert this to the set. The set variable we declared. Okay, so set will be finding the duplicate insertion. So only one word can insert only one time in set. So we do not need to concern about finding of duplicate value and removing or skipping like that. We can forget about that part as we are using set. Okay, now we can return size of set. Let's check how it is working. Yes, working as expected. Now let's submit the code. Can see how it's working in other test cases. Okay, it accepted. Let's check. Okay, yeah, 4 ms. 9 MB useless. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share the video. Otherwise, if you didn't like, tell me why you didn't like the video so I can improve. Okay, thanks for watching.